My name is Leo Norberte. I am from KIKU. I am a KIKU coffee farmer. When the sugar shut down, then I start growing coffee in 1996. Like now, brew coffee, I own the business. Like you work with sugar, you work for somebody. I start 5 acres, now I get 50 acres. So I supply almost all the store in the island, and especially KTA, the Mountain Apple brand. My coffee is consistent. That's why the buyer, they like my coffee because every time it's good. But they plant a sugar cane over 100 years. Now we plant coffee, a nice dirt, good climate, no irrigation. That's how the KIKU coffee is more famous. So I think that's what the reason why the taste is more sweet. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not too sure. The County of Hawaii will give me award. All the representative will sign. This Hawaii Coffee Association, KIKU, I come first place, and the state of Hawaii, third place. Yeah, this is the guy roasting my coffee every week. Most of my buyer in the mainland, you know, when they come to Hawaii, they go KTA and they buy, they bring home, then they try drink, and then they say, hey, I like your coffee. So that's how I get plenty buyer from the mainland.